Sorry, you're going to have manners to allow me speak, and you're making comments that are unfair and you should withdraw. I know others have been focused on the gotcha moments and attempting to create gotcha moments and attempting to create attack lines against me. I mean, that's been the agenda for the last number of weeks. But I haven't been focused on that. I've been focused on the work as Taoiseach. I received it last evening and I will be sharing it promptly with the Fianna Fáil parliamentary party. I'm much happier that I have it now. I didn't have it all along, and I was taken back by some of the commentary last week where it seemed to people to be acting on what they reported leaks or whatever, and the assertions contained in some of the commentary last week were simply false to a party meeting. Well, I think the ones that were made at the weekend, in respect to people having knowledge that they didn't have, and the assertions that they did, and that was wrong. Let's not be covering up now about whatever. I'm sorry, I'm not going to get into sort of people trying to contextualise assertions that were made.
No, but you've made the suggestion, Taoiseach, with the greatest
normally
respect,
when I come,
it's a bit Trumpian to be commenting about media and then not saying what's wrong.
Yeah, look, I'm not going to get into an argy-bargy with you.
On the night that Jim Gavin withdrew from the presidential election, did yourself and Jack Chambers tell him that you couldn't guarantee him the support of the parliamentary party?
Sorry, again, look, I only got the report last year.
I'm not asking you about the report, I'm asking about your recollection of events, Taoiseach.
Sorry, you're going to have manners to allow me speak, and you're making comments that are unfair and you should withdraw. Okay? No, I didn't come here for an argy-bargy with anybody. The report will be published. The report will go to the parliamentary party. The full entirety of the context will be there. But I'll be straight with you, Louise. False assertions were made in respect of people, and they were false. Okay? That's all I'm saying. And I'm entitled to say that. And I'm very calm about this. I'm absolutely relieved I've got the report because I didn't have it up to now. You seem to be getting tidbits from somebody, I don't know who. I have no idea how that is happening. But I certainly haven't seen the report until last evening. And I hope you accept that.